Hi guys, let's see today's problem. From a group of 6 boys, Shashi, Shahid, Siddharth, Sunny, Sanjay, and Sunil, and 5 girls, Katrina, Karina, Kriti, Kiara, and Kangana, a volleyball team of 6 members is chosen under the following conditions. Okay, looking at the questions now. If the team consists of 4 girls, then the members of the team are. If the team consists of 5 boys and there is only one girl, then the girl would be. If the team consists of 4 boys, including Sanjay, then the other members of the team are. If the team consists of 3 girls, including Katrina, then the other members of the team are. If the team including Siddharth consists of 4 boys, and the other members of the team are. Okay, so now similar to the problem where we were solving for the singers, every question has a different condition. So this will be a little time consuming, but let's see how this pans out. Okay, so there are 6 boys: Shashi, Shahid, Siddharth. I'm just writing the names over here. Shashi, Shahid. I'm writing SK for Shahid Kapoor so that it's easier for me to write. Siddharth Malhotra. Sunny, I don't know, Sunny. Sanjay, I'm writing S, and Sunil, I'm writing SS. Okay, Sunil Shetty. Let's just assume that. Girls: Katrina, Karina, Kriti, Kiara, and Kangana. So 5 girls, 6 boys. And they need to make a team of 6 members. Okay. The conditions are that Kiara and Kangana have to be together. They are always together. Siddharth cannot go with Kiara. Oh, weird. Siddharth. So SM will not go with Kiara. And Sunny cannot go with Katrina. Okay. So Sunny will not go with, I think it says cat, Katrina. Shashi and Sunny have to be together. So Shashi and Sunny have to be together. Siddharth and Karina have to be together. So let's see, Siddharth. Sorry. Shashi and Sunny, Siddharth and Karina have to be together. Shahid and Kriti have to be together. Shahid and Kriti. Shahid and Sanjay cannot be teamed together. So Shahid and Sanjay cannot be teamed together. Okay. Let's look at the questions. If the team consists of 4 girls, then the members of the team are. If let's just look at the options, okay, and try to solve this. So there are 4 girls. What we'll do is we'll eliminate the options in this. Sorry, my tab is acting up a little bit. If the team consists of 4 girls and the members of the team are, let's look at the girls. We know that Kiara and Kangana have to be together, and Kiara cannot be with Siddharth. Katrina cannot be with Sunny. So let's see. If Kiara is there, then Kangana has to be there. Yeah, in all options I can see Kiara and Kangana there. And if Kiara is there, then who cannot be there? Siddharth. Any such option? No. We know that with Katrina, Sunny cannot be there. So let's look at options which has Katrina and Sunny. Katrina, you can see the second option. So second option is eliminated because it has Katrina and Sunny together, which is not possible. Now let's look at other girls' conditions. We know that Karina has to be with Siddharth. So looking at Karina, is Karina there? No, Karina is not there in any options. We know that Katrina has to be with, not Katrina, Kriti has to be with Shahid. So Kriti and Shahid are there in first option. In third option, Kriti and Shahid are there. In fourth also Kriti and Shahid are there. Okay, so now we'll have to look at the conditions for the boys. Let's see any conditions on Shahid, because I can see Shahid in all the options. Only condition with Shahid is that Kriti has to be there and he cannot be paired with Sunny. We have already eliminated that. Okay, now let's look at other boys. First option talks about Shashi. Shashi, we have said Sunny has to be there, but in the first one, Sunny is not there with Shashi. In the third one, Sunil is there. Any conditions on Sunil? No, we don't have any conditions on Sunil. This could be a possibility of the correct answer. Shahid and Sanjay. Let's look at Sanjay. Any conditions on Sanjay? We know that Shahid and Sanjay cannot be together. So fourth one is also eliminated. Hence third is the correct option. Now, if the team consists of 5 boys and there is only one girl, then the girl would be. If there is only one girl, then it is most likely Katrina, because there is no condition on her. We know that Kiara and Kangana cannot be there because they have to be together all the time, right? But at the same time, we also know that Karina and Kriti are also paired with boys. So let's just try this one out. If I put Shahid, I will have to put Karina, right? Sorry, not Karina. Shahid, it's Kriti. I'll have to put Kriti. And if Shahid is there, then I cannot put Sunny. Sunny is gone, which means the other boys would be Shashi, Siddharth, Sanjay, and Sunil. But we know that we cannot even place Siddharth, because with Siddharth, Karina has to be there, so Siddharth is gone. Which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 boys. Just checking. Yeah. So we know that we cannot place Kriti. Now, if I try to place Karina, which means I'll have to place Siddharth. Siddharth cannot be with Kiara. Okay, we are anyway not placing Kiara. There are no other conditions on Siddharth. Now, I'll place Sanjay, because Sanjay cannot be with Shahid. And anyway, we cannot include Shahid, because if we include Shahid, then we'll have to include Kriti. I'll place SS because no conditions on him. I'm left with Sunny and Shashi. So 2 more boys. And we know that Sunny and Shashi have to be together. Sunny and Shashi. Are there any other conditions on Sunny and Shashi? Sunny cannot be with Katrina. Yeah, we are not placing Katrina. And we know that Sanjay cannot be with Shahid. And we are anyway not placing Shahid. So Karina is a possibility. I will mark Karina. Now, if the team consists of 4 boys, including Sanjay, then the other members of the team are similar to question number 1. Now, if Sanjay is there, we know that Shahid cannot be there. So let's look for options which has Shahid and we'll immediately eliminate that. So 2 and 4 are gone. Now, if I'm placing Kiara, then Kangana has to be there. Yeah, correct. In the third one, Kiara and Kangana are not there. Okay. Looking at the first option, Kiara and Kangana fit perfectly. Shahid is not there, which is perfect. Sunil has no conditions on him, so he is also okay. Sunny has to be with Shashi, so this also fits well. Answer is 1. Now, if the team consists of 3 girls, including Katrina, then the other members of the team possible are. Same thing, let's do Kiara and Kangana have to be together. Let's see any. First one is not possible because this does not include Kangana. In second one, again, Kangana is not there. Third one, Kiara and Kangana are there. In fourth one, both of them are not there. What's the other condition on Katrina? Any conditions on Katrina? Sunny cannot be with Katrina. So let's see if Sunny is there. Sunny is there in the third one. The answer is option number 4. Fifth question. If the team including Siddharth consists of 4 boys, so this is including Siddharth. Other 2 members are girls. Kiara, Kangana, correct. Now I'm just checking if other girls have any conditions. If in the second one we see Kriti, if Kriti is there, then Shahid has to be there, and if Kareena is there, then Siddharth has to be there. Kriti is there, so Shahid is also there, Kareena is there, Siddharth is not here. This is not possible. Oh, sorry, Siddharth is there. It's written in the question. So it is a possibility. In the third one, Kareena is there, so Siddharth is definitely there. With Katrina, we know that Sunny cannot be there. But we can see Sunny in the third one, so this is eliminated. And Kareena is a must, right? Because with Siddharth, Kareena has to be there. So we also eliminate the first one and the fourth one. Yeah, I think this should have been my first go-to thing, that Siddharth and Kareena have to be together. So just spot for Kareena, and then I think that would be the right answer. Okay, interesting sum. Let's check our answers. 3, 2, 1, 4, 2. 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2. Nice, correct. This was supposed to be time consuming, but I think it was pretty interesting. The correct approach to solve this was to just eliminate the options. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.